we've got this M96 torn down with the IMS bearing failure and failed attempt repair. I just wanted to take a second, go handheld, go over a little bit of the damage. We've got tons of debris in the engine case. There's even a little rub mark in the engine case, there we go, where the when the original bearing failed, the shaft went sideways and rubbed the case. You can see here's our shaft. This is the attempted fixed bearing that somebody did, and it's not supposed to protrude from the end of the shaft. It's actually supposed to be inserted into the shaft and held in with a snap ring. So they've not only damaged the shaft, but they damaged this bearing. This bearing is seized and won't turn anymore. You can see the shaft here has some melted plastic on it, and that's from this oil drain guide or baffle. You can see it appears that when the IMS shaft moved over, it was rubbing on this for quite a while, enough to actually melt it, which is pretty impressive, all things considered. I have the crankshaft sitting here upside down because that's the only way it'll sit flat. So these are the pistons from the other side of the engine since it's upside down. And let me add some light, and you can see just in the corner of the valve pocket, right in here, you can see there's a little bit of the carbon cleaned off. That's a telltale sign of a valve having hit a piston. You can see over here there's a little bit. And on each one of these pistons, you've got similar traces. That one actually looks pretty decent. Let's check out the last one. Oh yeah, the last one has definitely had some marks on it. The valves themselves for those cylinders don't have any marks, and I haven't yet been able to see them bent, but we'll get there. This is our other case half, our cylinders 4 through 6 case half. You can see we have quite a bit more shrapnel throughout the bottom of the engine. And also, we had, as I kind of showed in the middle of the time-lapse video, this chain guide must have gotten hit by the shaft, or the chain got loose and it has broken this chain guide. You see it's no longer even, the plastic is no longer attached to the cast aluminum. So there you have it. One evening's worth of teardown, lots of cleaning to do, lots of parts to replace, and lots of reasons why you should make sure that your IMS bearing has been changed. Even if you think the risk is low, the potential loss is quite high.